Hello, Molly here with ColDesi. Today, I'm here to show you how quick and easy it is to customize a performance t-shirt using a direct-to-film transfer. I am using our Hotronix Fusion IQ heat press. This is my favorite one to use, but you can use any heat press that we sell at ColDesi. So I have my time and temperature set to 270 degrees Fahrenheit. Our first press is going to be done at 8 seconds, our finishing press at 5 seconds, and my pressure is set to firm at 7. Let's get started. I have already set up our t-shirt on the press. Gonna grab our transfer. You wanna place it image side facing up. Get it all placed where you would like it. We're gonna take our finishing sheet, and now we're ready to press. DTF is probably my favorite because this shirt is gonna be fully complete in less than 20 seconds, and I can't wait to show you guys. All right, now we are ready to peel. You wanna peel from the corner in one quick and consistent movement. Just like that. We're gonna put our finishing sheet back on for a final press. I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. And here we have it, a beautiful performance tee with a direct-to-film transfer. As always, follow along for more, call us with any questions you may have, and we can't wait to see the beautiful projects you create with DTF.